Hello, I'm going to review Trade Republic savings account. So key features, its interest rate. As of January 2025, Trade Republic offers a 3% annual interest rate on cash balances, aligning with European Central Bank's rate. Deposit protection. Funds are held in escrow accounts with partner banks like Citibank, Europe plc, Solaris Bank SE, and Deutsche Bank. Accessibility. There are no minimum balance requirements or lock-in period. Users can deposit or withdraw funds at any time without penalties. Also, account management. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, allowing easy access to account details, interest earned, and transaction history. So in conclusion, interest rate variability. The interest rate is tied to the ECB rate and may fluctuate accordingly. Operational hours. Transfers initiated during weekends or public holidays may experience delays, and tax implications. Interest and may be subject to taxation based on the user's country of residence.